Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to share my project on the FEELOOK diamond painting that was given to me by FEELOOK online. And yeah, they asked me to do a product review and an unboxing, which I did a couple of weeks ago, and I just want to share my progress with you. So before I get into this, I do hope that everyone had an awesome holiday season, a wonderful Christmas. Looking forward to New Year's Day, which is coming in a few more days. And I surprised myself, and I did a lot of work on this in some downtime, which wasn't very much downtime. A lot of family here, holiday meal, but my sister Lisa and I cooked together, so that made things a little bit easier. And then I caught a cold, so I am trying to recover from that. And while doing that, I didn't feel like doing much of anything else, so I sat and I did some diamond painting. So here is my reveal. I am actually almost done with this. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, so I still have to do the top up here, but I have done some spots here and there as I'm working my way up. But from here down, it is all complete. Look at how pretty that is. It is so shimmery and sparkly, and I really, really love the way this is coming out. Yeah, so I can't tell you how many hours I've worked on it. Most of the time it would be in the evening after some of my family went to bed. My oldest son, my granddaughter, and my older grandson were here for several days during Christmas. And so while she was up, my granddaughter that is, there wasn't much I could do on this. So I waited until they took her to bed. And then while my husband was watching sports on TV, I got to diamond paint. Okay. So I'm going to squish the camera in and maybe we can get a look at the whole entire thing. So hold on just one second. So there it is. And you can tell where I've done it and where I haven't because it's a lot more duller up here. And this is so bright and vivid. And I just think it's turned out so nice. I haven't had any trouble at all placing the dots. And the symbols are great to match up with the legends that are on the top, on each side of the painting here. And I am really enjoying doing this. Now, it is something that takes a lot of time, and the only reason I would do it is because I am not feeling well and I'm just sitting and, I need something to keep me busy when I'm just resting. So yeah, I've had a lot of fun with this. I hope you love the way this looks as much as I do. And the next time I come on with this, I'm going to have all of this completed. And then I'm going to figure out where I'm going to hang it, how I'm going to frame it or whatever. But this does look quite a bit like my Kiki, a little bit chubbier of a kitty than my Kiki was. But the colorings are pretty much a good match, including the little M on the forehead. So that's what I've got for you today. Just a little diamond painting update. And once again, this is from feelookart online, and I will have them linked down below as well as this diamond painting. And I do believe they were giving away a free gift with every purchase during the month of December. So you do have a few more days if you're interested in this or any other product. And yep, that's what I've got for you. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season and that you will have a great new year coming up. Very crafty new year. And I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.